ngingamshapa ukusivela wangikandela engazi ukuthi wena awudlaliswa bengazi futhi ukuthi wena awuthizwa bengithi ngiyasijokela nebhodela ngagaqela ngavele ngafloba ngalikhalisa ngabona nje ebusweni nje seshintsha ngabona nje ngamehlo nje sedripa bengithi ngiyakwazi mfana kithi kodwa manje ay wena uyangida still standing here and I have to admit that it's a mistake. I thought it was a simple joke, but it's clear that it's one that he couldn't take. But I'm still apologizing, even though I know this shit is cliche. Kube bengazi, bengeke ngize ngilinge ngikuthinte. Awumanje ngiyasola to be the reason why you so cold. But I hope uyangithola. Uma ngithi mina bengazi fuck all about your fragile emotions. You should have thrown me a caution instead of crying me an ocean and all the crashes that you're holding. I was simply tryna be myself around you. Did I know that my actions would tend to hurt you? But maybe the problem is with me. I made you feel like I was tryna attack you, and now you're defensive and distant, and it's like I'm all out to get you. Forgive me, I never meant to act so cheeky. I never meant to make you cry. I never ever meant to hurt your feelings. I never meant to kill your vibe. I never ever meant to break your spirit. I'm sorry, woke party saying can't. Meaning you capping, you bustle on my feelings. I ain't never tryna be the catalyst of ignorance under the influence of cannabis. My Gemini tendencies attracting hate and hate straight, aim straight to my enemies. I elevate minds and I don't compromise negative energies. So proud of my tendencies, and I wish that I can cover my damages. I carry my cross, and I'm not afraid to embrace my flaws. So excuse my noise, and I ain't tryna be no ghost or your boss. And I'm just gonna